Hello YouTube, Jerry Kirkpatrick here, and as you can see we have a couple of more boxes that we'll be opening up today. This one here is from the Cobra Experience. If you're not familiar with the Cobra Experience, it's owned by Drew Serb and is located over in Martinez, California, over in the East Bay. And Drew has purchased, restored, and has on display the Cobra Dragon Snake that I drove in 1964 to national NHRA records, both speed and ET. And he has many other Shelby related cars displayed in his museum. The second box is from Eastwood, and it is quite heavy, so there's going to be some nice tools in here, I'm thinking. So I just talked to Ron Covell yesterday, and he has confirmed that Gene Winfield will be coming to give a question and answer session on Saturday just before lunch. So with that, let me get these off of the table here. We'll start with the box from the Cobra Experience, and we'll see what's inside. So what I found inside the box was a cute little basket. Think, Jerry, what we have in here is a Cobra hat. A gift certificate for $25. That'll get you towards a shirt or sweatshirt or whatever you want to get. Nice gift certificate. Here is a calendar of the events. Here's for their raffle for a, looks like a Mustang. You can get on their website and read more about that. And 4 free passes to the museum. So those are going to be nice little prizes for the raffle. A pretty good haul. I got a banner that will be put up by the raffle area. Everybody will be getting a Eastwood catalog, and they sent quite a stack of sheet metal gauges. So everybody will be going home with one of these and one of the thread pitch gauges from the Engineer's Black Book. And what was so heavy was a contour grinder. I've seen these used on their website, and they're pretty neat for blending and removing paint. So some lucky raffle winner will be going home with this particular piece. So for our COVID update, masks will be mandatory while in the shop. And don't forget about the 10% discount we have coming from Diamide. You can look in the description below and you'll find a link that you can put into your browser, copy, paste it into your browser, and it'll take you right to the Diamide site and apply the 10% discount. And that discount is active right now until 2 weeks after the event. And you do not have to be a participant in this coming weekend's event. Anybody that's watching this, you can use the discount also. And if you want to just type the discount code in yourself, it is Metal Bash 10. Be sure to stay tuned because next Tuesday I'm getting in 2 big boxes from Mittler Brothers, and we'll be opening those boxes, see what's in there. And I'm also getting some stuff in from K&N and Redline Oil. So that will be the last episode in opening boxes prior to the event. So thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and I do appreciate it if you buy me a coffee. That's it for now. See ya.